Primary Workshops for Schools Mosaic Workshop is a unique opportunity for children to create wonderful pieces of artwork under the guidance of talented mosaic artists. There are almost no limits to the type of art you could create and the links you can make to your topics. Whether that be historical links, such as the Romans, or creating the African savannah through mosaic. Therefore, it's perfect for any occasion. You can create a mural, which can be treasured in a place of pride for years to come. Your workshop can usually be bespoke for your school. Contact us to find out more information and get booked in.